Well, Travels with Dottie here, and I got this camera that I'm unboxing, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which everyone is saying you can't get it anywhere, and it's true. If you go to the DJI website, Amazon, Best Buy, it's like a 30-day wait. But I found mine digging around on Google from a reputable dealer, B&H Photo out of New York City, at 9 o'clock on Monday night. I placed my order and I received it about a couple minutes after 1 on Wednesday. So pretty quickly, and I just went and picked it up, and I'm taking everything out here, and I'm going to take it on its maiden voyage, see how it does. It's really surprisingly thought. I'm struggling here because it feels like there's something else in that box. I can feel something down there, but it won't come out, so I'm having to tear the box apart to get to it. And there it just fell out. And I didn't even really notice. I'm still trying to find it. But there it is. It's one of those silicone things to keep moisture out of the package. That's all it is. So I'm just undoing and unwrapping everything. And I know how to use this thing because I've watched a ton of YouTube videos on it. And if you're interested in this camera at all, just start watching people reviewing this thing. And it's really pretty remarkable what it does. And I'm going to be showing you some initial footage. After I will tell you, I tweaked some settings before I went out and shot any video, because more than one reviewer said, hey, there's some standard settings that you need to override, and I did override those. One of them is resolution. It's set default at 1080, and you need to be shooting in 4K. And I'm turning everything on there, and I think I'll just stop showing you this because there's nothing else to look at, and show you the footage. What do you think? Well, I'm turning it on for the first time inside the RV, and in the background you might be able to hear my friend Sally Forth in the background on her. That's one of her videos playing, and Sally Forth, Sally Forth, Forth. Check out her channel. It's good stuff. It's a really good video from New Mexico that I'm listening to. But here I am, going to go outside, and I have this around my neck on an accessory I bought where it hangs around your neck, so I'm hands-free. So I'm just kind of walking around a little, see what it's like, check out the quality of the footage, and how good the gimbal is. Now, keep in mind that this gimbal doesn't work on the up and down axis. So as I'm walking, there's going to be some bounce, but with the action camera, there always was, and it really doesn't seem that bad at all. But I'm interested in the stability of the shot, and the colors, and the clarity. And I think with those settings tweaks that I was given online, this is looking really, 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 really good. So I'm headed back in with Dottie. And this is on the regular setting. Now there's a special setting that you're supposed to use when you're walking around, like first person shooting like that. So I'm going to try that, see if that footage is any better. All right, here I am back outside, and I changed the setting. And I got to tell you, I'm looking at her, and I don't see a huge difference, really. I'm hard-pressed to see any difference. You guys let me know. This stretch right here is in some way better than that previous clip. it's going to be very, very steady, the gimbal left and right, and keeping it level to the horizon, but up and down, it doesn't have that function. So there's going to be a little bounce up and down as I walk. But I love the colors. I think the colors are wonderful. So let me know what you think of this, my first outing with this new camera. We're going to get down here and say hi to Dottie. There's the Dottie girl. You're wondering what the heck I'm doing. See you on the next one.